This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Julian Maechi. Location: clean move-in ready home with upgrades located in the coveted Skyline area of Jensen Beach. Open floor plan with screened front and rear porches make this home feel much larger than you would think. Tile throughout, updated kitchen with gas range and hood, kraftmaid with cabinets, granite counters and backsplash, updated full bath, AC laundry room with half bath, tankless gas water heater, outdoor shower, gate, and much more. Located only 1 block from the Indian River, this private yard surrounded by palms has plenty of room for parking your boat, trailer, or RV. No HOA. Close to boat ramps, restaurants, shopping, and great schools. Walk to the river, ride your bike to downtown Jensen or the beach, and enjoy everything Jensen Beach has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Julian Maechi at 772-283-2800.